Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to erase cookies and cache on Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10 when you close the Firefox browser. For this, first open the Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon. Select settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar, select this one privacy and security. On the right, scroll down and find this one cookies and site data section. Here, check this one option, delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. That means when you will close the Firefox, it will automatically remove all the cookies and cache whatever the Firefox has stored on your PC.